everyone. So today's video is for real estate marketers. So real estate marketing agencies, GoHighLevel, white label agencies. And the topic is, what do I need per client? So I want to offer IDX to my clients. What do I need to be able to do this? Okay, so first things first, seems to be like the biggest confusion. There's IDXBroker.com, RealtyCandy.com, and IDXAddons.com. Okay, so Broker is the IDX vendor. They are the ones who work with the MLS boards in order to pull the data. Okay, they have a monthly fee for the feed with all the MLS listings. So this is something that the realtor will have to pay and sign up for, the monthly fee. The monthly fee will depend on several factors. We're going to get into that in just a bit. Then RealtyCandy.com, we are software developers. We're partners with IDX Broker. We've been partners for over a decade now. And we do not have any monthly fees. We only have one-time fee services. Okay. And IDXAddons is the name of the dashboard with all the RealtyCandy software. Okay. So there are two separate websites, RealtyCandy.com and IDXAddons.com. IDXAddons.com is for actual clients where you can actually use the software. Included in this software, we have over 85 tools for IDX Broker for the website, but also we include the tools that are GoHighLevel specific. These are all free. Okay. So just as an overview, these are the requirements per account. Number one, they have to have an IDX Broker account. They have to have a GoHighLevel sub account in your agency. Number three, they need to own a domain where they want to display these listings, even if they don't have an actual website yet, but they need to own a domain. And number four is the RealtyCandy service. Okay, we're gonna get to that in just a bit, but these are the four requirements for any account. Okay, so the IDX Broker account, as mentioned, is a monthly fee and it's needed for any service. An account can have multiple agents, multiple MLSs, and yeah, realtors need to be part of the same team, right? In order to add as an agent for the brokerage. And they need to be members of an MLS to get approved. We're going to take a look at that. Like if I just go to RealtyCandy.com, if I click here on Get Started, I will see the one that says Compare IDX Plans. And when I go to compare, I can compare the 60, the core versus the engage. I can also compare which add-ons are included with each plan. If I just click here on order now on either one of these, it's going to take you to the same place, to the signup.idxbroker.com. If you're not ready to sign up and you just want to see what the exact monthly fee will be, you can just honestly just put just any information like testers. Okay, and this will allow us to go to step number 2, where we can actually see stuff. So again, it will depend on the account type. So let's say I want to go with engage. On the user level, as you can see, there are tiers, right? So let's say I have 60 agents, right? If I have 60 agents, that's going to add $120 a month. And then the other thing that's going to depend on, as you can see, it's going to ask for address, city, all of this I would recommend, and it is important that the realtor themselves fill it out, right? Because they are the ones who have all this correct information. Super important, really quick, right here where it says your website URL. It doesn't matter if you actually don't have a website there yet, but this is the domain where we ultimately want to display the listings. Even if we don't have a website there, even if it's not live, even if it's not ready, whatever. We just need to put the one that we want to actually display the listings in the end. Okay, and then the other thing is the multiple listing services. So let's say I belong to one in Alabama, and then I also belong to the Miami one. I also belong to Georgia. Okay, so that's 3 MLSs. So it depends on how many MLSs and which MLSs, as you can see here. There is a data management fee for all of them, and they're all different. $9, $5, $5. So finally, when you fill out all the necessary information, it's going to provide the exact monthly fee. So this is going to be the exact monthly fee for your client, $298 in this specific example. Okay. Now following up, IDX Broker account. The high level sub account, as you know, you need to create a sub account for them, for this brokerage or this team inside your high level. Yeah, you need to have a sub account. And then, like I said, they need to own a website domain, .com, .net, whatever they want to do. It's very important as well that, as you saw in the registration form, one IDX Broker account is for one website domain. If they need to display this on a different domain, then they need to sign up for another IDX Broker account. Okay, you can use many websites, but in the end, because it's just one account, one feed, they will all point to the main domain. Okay, and then the other requirement is the RealtyCandy service. Basically, we only have two services, either the IDX Connect or the new website. In the IDX Connect, just like in simple, quick overview, integrate your existing website with the IDX Broker. So IDX Connect, you create the website, or you have the website, or you hire someone, and we integrate IDX Broker into that. We will match your colors, fonts. If you have rounded edges, we'll match everything else rounded edges. We'll match all the IDX Broker pages to the design that you have on the home page. Versus new website, in which you pick one of the themes that we have and we integrate it with IDX Broker. So bottom line, any RealtyCandy service will result in an IDX integrated website, a website that's ready for people to search through the listings, right? A website that has a search bar, a Google Maps widget, home valuation, all of the services that we include. And I'm going to show you right here how it looks on the website. Like if I just go to RealtyCandy and I go here on services, it says main services, IDX Connect, and get a new website. IDXAddons, like I said, are the free tools and templates for your website. For agencies like yourself, we have a rewards program based on points. We have a dashboard at agency.idxaddons.com where you can manage the clients that you have with RealtyCandy, your realtor clients, right? Here you can create an account. It's free to create an account. You can start earning points and unlocking free services. So for example, IDX Connect, we just saw that was when we connect IDX Broker to an existing site. Once you get to 5 active clients, meaning 5 people who have IDX Broker accounts through RealtyCandy, we will continue to do IDX Connect for you for free. And we will actually do the deluxe, because there are 3 options for IDX Connect: $79, $149, and $299. So once you get to client number 6 and up to unlimited, we will do free deluxe IDX Connects. For example, for the websites, once you get to 20 points, which is about 20 clients or less, depending, it depends on how many agents they have, how many MLSs, what type of account. That's how the points are assigned. Then once you get to 20, you get free one-click websites, free $199 websites. So yeah, this is a really good way to start growing your agency. It's after 5 clients, honestly, it's pretty hands off. GoHighLevel people, your experts are at workflows and automations. So for example, the agencies that we already work successfully with, they have like a form that is automated, and we get a notification that says like, okay, here's the client, here's their IDX Broker account, here's their website, and we go in. Once we have everything we need for IDX Connect or for one-click websites, we only take 1 or 2 business days to deliver. So it's a pretty quick process. The idea is that we get to empower agencies like yourself, right? You continue to provide these amazing CRM services and leverage our tools and expertise to offer realtors the ability to display all their MLS listings online. We also have amazing tools that they can use this listings for example, like if I go to IDXAddons.com and I go to widgets, you'll be able to see all the 85 plus widgets that I was talking about. So we have single property websites, we have open house registrations, there's one for Facebook ads that provides an XML map. Every single thing that we make, like every single app, every single piece of software has a video tutorial showing exactly how to set it up, and also a tutorial page that shows the tutorial step by step with screenshots. So the idea is that you're able to do as much as you can on your own. And honestly, in any of our services, in the IDX Connect or the website that we will make, we apply like the core, the most popular add-ons, right? Because some override others, some are not needed for realtors. So like we apply about 25 add-ons, like the agent information widget, like the search bar, the SEO tools, the IDX colors and styles. As mentioned, we will style it like your design, the SEO links. We use the one-click community to create your communities, office information widget if you have more than one agents, the auto-save search. We apply about 25 of these, the home valuation widget, etc. So, I mean, honestly, personally, I find that about 90% of our clients don't need anything else after we deliver the integrated site, right? Because it's, again, it's ready for people to search through the listings. The other thing I wanted to mention here, if I go to RealtyCandy and I go to Services, IDX Connect, as I was mentioning, there are three options. The standard, which is $79 one time, $149 one time for the deluxe, and all the bells and whistles for $299. So the free one that we give out is this one, which includes 5 community pages and featured or newest listing widget. Here's an example of how a community page looks like, so you can take a look as well. So it's a link that includes the results for a specific area. It can be a city, county, neighborhood, subdivision, whatever is relevant to your client's business. These sections are optional, like the brief description, the market report, and here we can see the map and obviously the results within that area. Okay, so again, the idea is to empower you to offer this to your clients. And yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to go to realtycandy.com. And here we have attached a link for easy access so you can meet with any of us. And we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Are you ready to take your agency to the next level?